Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am going to be sharing some friend mail that I received, and I'm super excited to share it with you all. So let's hop into it. Okay, so I received some friend mail from my friend Tina Kazarian. I'm going to link her channel down in the description box. Please check her out. She is a fabulous lady. She is so sweet and she is so talented. So, Tina, thank you. This is full of goodies. So let's open it up so I can share with you all what I got from Tina. Okay, so first thing is this tea towel. She knows I absolutely love anything to do with cactus. So she got this for me because I have not seen this out here where I live. She also got me these cactus lights. Now, I have something similar to these, but not like this, and I haven't seen these before at my store either. So I was really excited to see those. They are so cute and fun. Okay, this is something else I was looking for, and they are like faux evergreen pipe cleaners. I guess that's the best way to describe them. I have been looking for something like this forever. So I had seen her share these in a haul, and I'm like, Tina, where did you get those? She goes, don't worry, I will send some to you. So thank you, Tina. She also got me this really cute felt cactus. I have got some of these already, and I thought it would be really fun to actually share with you all how to put these together. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, again, Tina, thank you. Can you tell there is a running theme with all of this stuff yet? Okay, and then she got me these two notebooks, and I love notebooks. I use them a lot. And so one's a cactus and one's got the llama. So I have to just let you all know that I actually opened this package up the day I received it. And Tina, your timing was absolutely perfect. It was a really rough day the day I received it. And I'm like, oh, I need a smile put on my face. So thank you so much. So there's some things that are wrapped up. I cannot believe she sent me these stamp sets, and this one comes with some dies. I can't wait to play with these. So this package says on it, she left a few notes on some of these packages, which was so fun to read. This one says, I know we share the same obsession. So this package is full of napkins. And the funny thing is, I was actually going to ask her if she wanted to do a swap of some different napkins with me. So this was really fun. Yeah, see? Isn't that just a bundle of goodness right there? So fun. She sent this really cute card, and this woman is just such a talent. Like I said, I had already opened it up off camera, but oh my word, seriously, I get so excited when I receive one of her cards. Tina, this is so fun. I absolutely love it. Okay, and this is the last package. Like I said, I had already opened it up, but it says, always be yourself unless you can be a llama or a succulent. So cute. Yeah, Tina, seriously, I am blown away by everything I received. Look at all these stickers. So exciting. So here's an overview of all those stickers. And yeah, they're so fun. I cannot wait to start crafting with all of these. So Tina, again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You really are such a sweetheart. And everybody else, please check her channel out. You won't regret it. She is just such a warm and kind-hearted person. I am so honored to know you, Tina. Thank you. And thank you all for being here. Till next time, take care. Bye.